Nagmerienda na ba kayo? Ito mga nasa harap ko, proudly made in the Philippines, na kaya makipagsabayan worldwide. Ito nga ang nakilala naming cake shop sa Tarlac, nagsimula raw sa maliit na production. Pero dahil sa sipag at tiyaga, samahan pa ng science, umabot na rin sa ibang bansa ang kanilang produkto. Sabay-sabay tayong matuto at ma-inspire sa kanilang kwento.
Alright guys, good morning. This is Jego with a J. Thank you so much for joining me in my morning routine. Sorry medyo na late, napasarap lang ng tulog. But anyway, today pupunta tayo sa Norte, kung saan alamin natin kung ano nga ba yung project ng DOST na sinasabi nila na nakatulong daw na magpalaki ng isang negosyo. And this business has something to do daw with sweets, with making of sweets. So, hindi ko alam yung full story, kaya samahan niyo ako. Puntahan natin yung negosyo na to. But, hindi ko pa nakikita yung van natin. So, hanapin ko muna sila. Tara! Panibagong kwento na naman ang ating malalaman ngayon. Akalain nyo, isang dating OFW na walang background sa baking ang nakapagtayo ng sariling cafe? Excited na akong malaman ang matamis at exciting journey ng ating wisher. Welcome back to another home kitchen edition. But joke lang yan. Dito tayo ngayon kasama natin ang ating wisher na si Sir Franco upang malaman ko paano nga ba matutulungan ng project ng DOST ang kanyang mga pangarap. So Sir Franco, thank you so much for welcoming us to your wonderful kitchen nook. So Sir, nakita ko na meron kayong chocolate dito. Ano bang ginagawa natin?
Today we're going to make chocolate cake. Pero since mahaba yung time for baking, baka maubos ang oras natin. So I decided to bake it ahead of time. Tapos ang gagawin na lang natin, we'll do the frosting.
Sir, paano ba kayo nag-start dito sa baking nyo na to?
Actually, it started as a hobby lang eh. Hindi naman talaga ako baker. I'm a registered nurse.
So from the medical field
From
to
the
baking?
medical field to
so
baking.
paano siya nangyari, sir?
So I went to the mall, nadaanan ko lang yung appliance center. Sabi ko parang maganda yung oven na yun. I think I want to bake. Yung family namin, family of cooks. Pero
okay, sir.
not even one of them are bakers. So without any background in baking, I tried to bake.
Sir, ano nag-spark nun? Like, nakakain pa kayo sa isang bake shop? Meron ba kayong...
Actually, I love chocolates. Kaya lang, it turned out, nung gumawa ako, yung first try was palpak, second try palpak, third
Wala
time.
naman kayo
So
talagang
it took
baking
almost 2
experience,
years
diba?
bago ko nakuha yung
perfect.
gusto kong lasa. So until finally, nakuha ko. Then sabi ko siguro kailangan na ituloy ito. So I started unti-unti.
So, from that curiosity, it grew into this kitchen nook. Pero prior to that, you were a nurse.
I was a nurse from I think 1990. So I was a nurse in the hospital, yung provincial hospital namin dito sa Tarlac. Then I transferred to a university as school
Instructor.
nurse.
School nurse.
School nurse muna ako for 5 years. Tapos so nag-open ng nursing ang College of Nursing ang university. I worked as a clinical instructor, I think, for almost 15 years before ako nag-abroad. I was 6 years in the Middle East.
So, sir, alam ko kasi yung baking very tedious yan. Yung environment, yung measurements, dapat talaga tama, yung temperature ng oven. And napaka-importante rin pala in baking is yung sanitation. I think in cooking naman talaga. So, sir, kukuha lang ako ito.
So you can wear gloves.
Sir, sabihin mo pag tama or mali yung ginagawa
halo
ko.
mo lang. Sa mixing naman, when it comes to those, like this one is ganache, kahit na i-mix mo lang siya, it's okay lang.
Okay
so
lang,
the
sir,
consistency is tama lang kasi pag pinahid natin yan sa cake, mas madaling mag-set.
Okay.
That is almost pure
Gusto ko na siyang
chocolate.
dututin.
Pwede.
So sir, dun sa pag-bake nyo or dun sa brand nyo na Cocolata, ano yung mga masasabi nyong challenges nyo na na-experience as a baker?
Ang pinakamalaking challenge actually, hindi lang yung pagod eh. Ang pinakamalaking challenge is finances.
Funding.
Oo, yung funding talaga mahirap. Kasi nobody will help you. Pero nung nag-start na akong gumawa ng mga malalaking cakes, ayun na. Mas naramdaman mo na yung pagod.
Katulad dito sir, gano'n nyo siya katagal ginawa?
This one siguro, 1 hour lang.
1
It depends on the type of oven that you use.
How do
Sige,
we do it?
pahid mo lang kahit
Pahid
paano.
na? Okay.
Lagay mo kung gaano kakapal yung gusto mong ilagay. Okay
So
na
sir,
tayo
ano next
dyan.
natin?
Lagyan natin
Or
to.
kakapalan pa natin, okay na yan?
Okay na yan.
Okay.
Kasi kung masyadong makapal ang feeling, medyo nakakaumay na.
So ngayon sir, dun sa brand nyo na Cocolata, meron ba kayong ongoing developments? Ano yung mga future plans nyo with the brand? Ano yung mga inaasahan nyo pa ngayon or yung inaasam nyo pa in the future?
Kumbaga wish ko lang. Parang gano'n, na I will have more equipment. Kasi if you have manpower, mas mapapadali yung trabaho. And hindi mako-compromise yung ganda na gusto mong gawin.
Tama. Pero Cocolata pa rin sir yung ipapangalan nyo. Cocolata.
Kasi it's registered
Cocolata
sa-
Cafe
Oo.
here in Tarlac.
Actually, it's Cocolata Patisserie.
Sir Franco, maraming salamat po for the basic cooking classes today and I hope matupad po yung mga pangarap nyo of, again, opening your Cocolata Patisserie with better equipment, better staffing, bigger space, and mas masarap na products.